Hello friend, today in this particular video we are going to talk about air conditioning repair weathering air conditioning repair Weatherford TX trade TX ठीक है. So uh, now we are going to start our video. So AC Repair Weatherford TX, we are here when we need it. Call AC Van 3625 to install a new HVAC system that will pay for itself in no time. Our team of experienced technicians are here to help you. Know pushy salespeople, 24-hour emergency service. AC Repair Denton TX tank non-heating and air conditioning, serving the one who called today and leaving no one without comfort. Call Cog Burn HBA someday service or your service call is free. How much does AC maintenance cost? Basic AC tune up typically ranges from $80 to $200, with most homeowners paying around $130 on average. However, if you have a large house and multiple systems, you might pay as much as $450 or more. And what is a person who fixes air conditioner called HVACR technician? Install, maintain and repair heating, cooling and refrigeration system, heating, air conditioning and refrigeration. Mechanics and installers, often called HVACR technicians, work on heating, ventilation, cooling and refrigeration system, help control the temperature and air quality of building. How do I fix my air conditioner problem? Air conditioner problem more helpful hint to avoid problem. Clean, brush and debris from outside unit and surrounding area. Replace dirty filters. AC work 365 AC air conditioning. AC air conditioning repair Weatherford TX trade. The best 10 heating and air conditioning HVAC near me in Weatherford. What is my AC unit flooding? If you are seeing water around you, AC unit condensation is not properly draining. This can be also happen if the drain pipe system was not properly installed. Over time, the pipe may become loose and disconnect drainage water into the house, and crack, condensate, drip pan can also allow water to leak. How many AC does a year last? While every unit is different and every homeowner has different understanding of when their hunter air conditioner is broken beyond repair, it's fair to say that with proper maintenance and care, you can expect a good 15 to 20 years of cooling from a new high efficiency air conditioning system. And best HVAC company is Weatherford TX. Weatherford heating repair and AC service. Weatherford air conditioning, Weatherford TX HVAC. Air conditioning repair service near Weatherford. AC Weatherford Parker County. Again, air conditioning service in Weatherford. Call Mansfield Plumbing at PSC. Air conditioner not working problem and solution. Common air